I think I chose it because, mainly because of Dr. Andrew Brack. I had great respect for him. I thought he's a great academic and, above all, a really good teacher. So, having done my undergraduate with him, I thought it would be a good idea to do my master's as well. The course is also well regarded, I believe, in the industry. A previous iteration of the course was effectively a graduate scheme for CEPA, so I think I have good job prospects.
I think it was because I did my undergraduate here at Dundee, and the prospects of the Catchment Management MSc was very good. I knew that the lectures were very student focused and they were all great teachers, so I knew that I'd get a lot of support in doing the MSc here.
My favourite bits about the course, I feel, are the field trips. We do loads of field trips. We've been on at least 10 field trips, I think, can think of. We go to different catchments. We've done lots of different things. We've done monitoring. We've used the ADVPs and the machines and everything. We've got good practice in all the hydrological monitoring, I think. I've enjoyed lots of the modules. I enjoyed flood risk assessment is an interesting module. We get to model flood risk. That's good. Hydropower is also very interesting, learning how that works. We've been to visit schemes as well, that's good.
I think the modules are very good. It's very dynamic in that they'll produce, well, that when we graduate, we'll be very wholesome students in the field of catchment hydrology and management. The main thing that I've enjoyed is field trips. We've done quite a lot over last semester and this semester, a residential one, and we're also planning to go to Iceland with the BGS in May, so that's a big focus for us.
I believe that some of the skills I've learnt are in flow monitoring, in modelling, both of flow and of flood. Lots of practical skills in the field, such as learning how to download data from weather stations and things, learning about stage gauges and things like that as well.
We've got quite a lot of hands-on and vocational experience and skills, mainly from flow gauging, empty and rain gauges, the implications of GPS, using ArcGIS software, remote sensing software, hydraulic modelling and hydrologic modelling, loads of skills.
I'm very much hoping to get a job in something hydrologically related. I'm looking at jobs with CEPA, but there's also lots of jobs in flood risk management and in hydrological consulting.
After the Masters, I'd like to work for a hydraulic consultancy, maybe in flood risk management, looking at natural flood management, as that's been one of my key areas of interest during the Masters. There's also a lot of job prospects in that area, especially down in England, where it's more highly populated, and they're looking into how natural attenuation measures can affect flood management.
I think my chances are quite high. There's not that many courses in Scotland in catchment management, so I think my choices are quite good.
I think with all the skills that we've been taught and all the modules that we've put together, from environmental law and water law and regulation to the use of GIS, it's so diverse that the job prospects are going to be quite good for us. And in the past, there's been 100% employment in this Masters. So knowing that, when I came onto the Masters, that was a massive appeal to me. And I know that I have no worries for getting a job once I graduate.